My name is Mark Livings. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Lyre's non-alcoholic spirits company.
I'm Neil McCann, the founder of McCann Bespoke. What makes McCann Bespoke unique is that we make one garment at a time for the individual. And so the Lyre's team and stakeholders can have our garments anywhere in the world.
The McCann Partnership is brilliant for us. They share common values of attention to detail, beautifully crafted products. It's a wonderful marriage of two brands, and I'm really looking forward to having the best dressed team in the world.
The suit has been made with a 10-ounce Italian Super 120s material that's very breathable, hard wearing. So we've got a hand-edged stitching across the lapels of the suits. They run all the way through into the pockets. Everything is made by hand, all the way through things like the Milanese flower hole. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the logo within your suit there. We searched high and low to get that level of quality on there, and it actually takes 1,500 stitches per square inch to get the level of detail that you want, that obviously resonates throughout the whole brand. If you look on the inside of your garments, we've got the lining as well. So that lining is specifically made for each individual, within the garments, within the jacket, within the waistcoat. And so there isn't anything about the garments that are not unique to you, Lyres, and everyone concerned.
I love the fact that someone can come in here, get a beautifully crafted suit, and then enjoy one of our beverages in your bar. I think that's an entirely non-alcoholic bar with a few exceptions. This is the first time I've actually got a chance to put the suit on fully complete, and I have to be honest, I'm feeling $1 million. The suit is absolutely beautifully crafted, and I'm feeling like the real embodiment of my brand now, so I couldn't be more grateful than this actual moment that I'm here.